Founded in 1974, Altech initially focused on the manufacture of various types of machinery and, in subsequent years, specialized in plastic recycling machinery. Following its relocation in 1986 to a 3,500 square meter facility, the company expanded its operations and began exporting to multiple countries. Today, operating from its new 11,000 square meter factory, Altech has become an integrated manufacturing company, exporting recycling machinery to 45 countries worldwide. Altech conducts its manufacturing activities with the principle of conserving natural resources and with a clear awareness of its responsibility in contributing to a more liveable world. By closely monitoring technological developments and swiftly incorporating them into its production processes, Altech maintains consistently modern manufacturing conditions and operates in line with international standards. Specializing in plastic recycling lines and plastic melt filtration systems, Altech continues to strengthen its reputation through the committed and innovative work of its experienced engineering team, strong technical department, and dedicated R&D staff. With the ambition of becoming a recognized reference in the sector, the company steadily increases its production capacity while striving to be a preferred supplier both domestically and internationally. All products manufactured by Altech are designed in compliance with international directives and produced in accordance with customers' specific requirements and quality expectations. The company holds CE, GOST, and ISO 9001 certifications and regards the provision of fast and effective technical support before and after sales as a core principle. Altech defines its priorities and strategies based on the principle of on-time production and on-time delivery, offering its customers reliable, innovative, and environmentally responsible technologies, alongside advantages in quality, speed, and cost efficiency. Driven by a strong commitment to excellence, Altech continues its manufacturing activities without interruption, drawing inspiration to develop more innovative and more robust recycling technologies, while striving to fulfill every commitment it makes for today and the future. Altech, transforming the future through recycling.